In this video, we will know how we can create a PayPal account for sending and receiving money from all over the world. First of all, you have to click paypal.com. After that, you have to sign up. You have to click your personal account and you click next. If you want to make your business account, then you can click up in the business, but I want to create my personal. For that, I have to click at personal. After that, you have to write your mobile number. I will write my mobile number. Afterward, you will receive a confirmation code in your mobile. The confirmation code we will put here. After that, you will see this page. You have to write your email address and your name, last name, and your password. I will write my email address. So friends, you can see here is showing a error because I have already a PayPal account. This email I already used a PayPal account, so I have to change the email address. I will write another address, email. So you can see now in this email I have no PayPal account, so it's accepting this email. After that, I will write my name, then last name. Then you have to choose a strong password of 8 digits minimum. Okay, so you see this password. I created the password. I'll click next. So you can see, friends, your account is almost ready now. You just have to write your date of birth here, your country where you're staying. So right now I'm in Saudi Arabia. I will choose my country, Saudi Arabia, and then I will put my date of birth. After that, here you have to put your national ID. Your national ID number you have to put here. It's saying the date of birth format is not correct, so I will change. So you can see now it's okay. You can write your passport number and your ID, any of it's your choice, but I will write my ID number. Then I have to put my address. So right now I'm in Jeddah. I will write Jeddah, Makkah Highway. So address, then city. After that, you have to write your postal code and you have to click stay logged in. I confirm that. So you can see, guys, that my PayPal account is created now. You can see in the option that send payment and shop with easy with your new account. So you can send your money and you can receive your money with this PayPal account from all over the world. I will click to send money option, so you can see the next what you have to put in your information. This website, you have to put your debit card number. Then after that, you will choose you have Visa card or MasterCard. You have to write all your information about your card here. So you can see, guys, that your PayPal account is ready to use now. So hope you like this video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel